Rising energy costs have forced both building developers and businesses to think in terms of energy-efficient building design. President Kalam inaugurated the Green Building Congress in the capital today.
Green buildings utilize energy sufficiently so that most resources used, including building material, are reusable. The basic aim is to cut down energy losses. Hence, systems are created so that renewable energies are sustained within the building.
The Wipro building, what we're doing, for resource reuse, we are actually taking out old railings from old buildings and refurbishing them and using them. Even to the extent the cafeteria is actually being bought from various flea markets, put them together, refurbished. So that's a resource reuse. We are also using old wood, old timber out of ships, which we're using for partitions. So that's a resource reuse which we are doing.
President APJ Abdul Kalam inaugurated the CII Green Building Congress 2005 in the capital. The President is a great advocate of renewable energy. During his Independence Day Eve address, he in fact called for building capacities in renewable energy. At the inauguration function, he showed us how Rashtrapati Bhavan under his influence is becoming a green building.
One such proposal under consideration among many is the setting up of an 8 megawatt grid-locked solar power photovoltaic plant occupying an area of 300 by 300 meters for supplying the entire Rashtrapati Bhavan building complex, including the estate. The total energy consumed presently is about 10,800 MGW hour per year. This plant, apart from providing energy, will reduce the dumping of carbon dioxide by 1,200 tons per year, 560 kg of sulfur oxide, and 2,700 kg of harmful nitrogen oxide.
Decongestion in cities and also meeting the burgeoning domestic water and energy needs can be addressed by more efficient building. Buildings can also be restored to meet energy efficient and environment standards. In fact, advocates believe this should become the norm, as India has had a long history of green buildings.
I think the role of green buildings now is trying to get back to the past, taking clues from our heritage and finding buildings for the future which are based in our context. I think the time of looking at these irrational Western models is completely inappropriate.
The market is huge. Already in the pipeline are projects worth 1,800 crore rupees. By 2010, the related building material demand and recyclables is also worth about 1,500 crores. The market is only growing, and going green makes good business sense and environmental sense too. Mark Lin, DD News, Delhi.